Hey everyone, welcome back to CNATT channel, your go-to source for tech tips and tricks. Today we're diving into Windows 10, specifically how to exclude files, folders, file types and processes from Windows Defender. By the end of the tutorial, we'll download a virus test file from EICAR and show you how to add it to the exclusions list. So stay with us until the end of the tutorial. Why exclude files? Before we jump into the how, let's quickly talk about the why. Windows Defender is a fantastic antivirus tool built right into Windows 10. It automatically scans your files and folders to keep your PC safe from viruses, malware, and other threats. But there are times when you might need to exclude certain files or folders from being scanned. This could be because they are large files that you trust or programs that Windows Defender mistakenly identifies as threats, also known as false positives. How to exclude files or folders? Alright, let's go to the main event, how to exclude files or folders from Windows Defender. It's pretty simple, so just follow along with me. First, you'll want to open the Windows Security app. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu, typing Windows Security, and selecting it from the search results. You can also click on the icon on the taskbar for quick access to Windows Security. Once you're in the Windows Security app, navigate to Virus and Threat Protection using either the left-hand menu or the options on the right. Scroll down a bit until you find the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. Here, you'll see an option that says Manage Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now, scroll down to the Exclusions section. This is where you can add or remove exclusions, meaning files or folders you don't want the Windows Defender to scan. Click on the Add or Remove Exclusions link. If prompted, click Yes to allow it to make changes to your device. On the next screen, you'll see an option to add an exclusion. When you click on that, you'll get a drop-down menu where you can choose what type of exclusion you want to add, whether it's a file, folder, file type, or process. For this example, let's exclude a specific folder. Select folder from the drop-down menu, navigate to the folder you want to exclude, select it, and click Select Folder. We've created a folder named My Exclusions in Downloads folder. Now we'll add it to the list of exclusions in Windows Defender. Windows Defender will now ignore this folder during its scans. Now we'll download an infected file from the internet using the EICAR test file. The EICAR test file is a harmless file created by the European Institute for Computer Antivirus Research, EICAR, and the Computer Antivirus Research Organization, CARO, to test the effectiveness of antivirus programs like Windows Defender. It is widely recognized by antivirus software as a test virus. So it's a great tool to demonstrate how exclusions work. In the browser settings, under the Downloads section, we enable the Ask where to save each file before downloading option. This allows us to save the infected file in the excluded folder. Now we search for the EICAR site and visit it. Next, we navigate to the test file download section and download the test file with a zip extension. First, we save the file in the Downloads folder. As you can see, Windows Defender immediately deletes the infected file. Next, we'll download the file again, but this time we'll save it in the My Exclusions folder, which we have already added to the list of exclusions. As you can see, the file was saved successfully and Windows Defender ignored it. Now, in the Windows Defender settings, we add the downloaded file to the list of exclusions. Then, we remove the My Exclusions folder from the exclusions list. Now, we download another test file. As you can see, this file was deleted by Windows Defender while only the previously excluded file remains. Finally, remember that the EICAR test file is safe, but you should be cautious when excluding real files, as doing so could leave your system vulnerable if those files are malicious. There are two additional options in the exclusions list: file type and process. By using the file type exclusion, you can prevent Windows Defender from scanning specific types of files. For example, you might exclude alt.exe or .txt files. Be cautious when excluding file types, as this can potentially allow malicious files of those types to bypass Windows Defender's protection. Ensure that you trust the files of the excluded type and fully understand the risks involved. Due to the high risk it poses, we don't recommend using this option unless absolutely necessary. By using the process exclusion, you can prevent Windows Defender from scanning specific processes. For example, you can add notepad.exe to the list of process exclusions. And there you have it. That's how you can exclude files, folders, file types or processes from Windows Defender in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to CNATT channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.